just love this moment. This is real nature show. Beautiful bird in a bright, sunny, a bit of chilly and windy. Yes, it's so beautiful. I can't get enough of this moment. I love it. I love this show. So beautiful.